Hello, Can Do Guy here. We just got the exhaust cutouts or turn down pipes, or whatever you want to call them, put on today. We'll take a listen to it here. Okay, that's open. When that's closed, that's what she's going to sound like. Do it one more time. Okay, there you go, the Can Do Guy. Give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Okay, Can Do Guy here again. I just wanted to show you another quick video. This black switch down here is the one that will turn it off and on underneath the dash. And of course my two remotes. I'm going to see what it sounds like sitting in the truck. We're going to open them up and listen to it. These are with the windows up. That's with the windows down. This truck does have a cam in it. Not a real big cam, but a cam. Okay, we're going to close it up. The windows are still down. That's it. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to attach it to the other one. Give me a like, subscribe, and again, thanks for watching.